Very good afternoon, students. The last class discussed about by using the grammar rule how to find the x, y, z value. Yesterday class we are discussing the two questions. Today we are discussing about the left of the questions. See the Roman number 3 question. Solve the given three linear equation by using the grammar rule to find the x, y, z value. Means by using the grammar rule, solve those three linear equations. We have to find the unknown variable x, y, z values. So see the solution. First of all, you should write as given three linear equations. You know steps. First, we have to prove that delta value. First, we have to prove that delta value. That's why determinant of coefficient of x, y, z variable in the given three linear equation is nothing but in the given three linear equation we should write as coefficient of x, y, z variable. See the first linear equation. What is the x coefficient value here? 3. Next, y coefficient value is 2. Z coefficient value is 5. So first linear equation is 1. Next we are going to second linear equation. What is the x, y, z coefficient values? X coefficient is 2. Y coefficient is 5. Z coefficient value is 3. Next, third linear equation is x coefficient is 5. Y coefficient is 3, Z coefficient is 2. Now, how to find the determinant of 3 by 3 element means we have to consider top plus minus plus. So, whenever determinant of 3 by 3 elements will be there, top we have to consider plus minus plus. First row, what is the first element here? Plus 3. That's why plus 3 we are taking. That plus 3 present in the first row and first columns are eliminated. Next, cross multiply with the left of the elements. Sorry, students. 5 into 2, 10 minus 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 2, 10 minus 3 into 3, 9. Second symbol is negative, element is 2. So, minus 2. Now, minus 2 present in the first row and first columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the elements. What are the left of the elements here? 2, 3, 5, 2. Now cross multiply. 2 into 2, 4 minus 5 into 3, 15. Next, third symbol is plus, element is 5. Plus 5 here students. Plus 5 present in the which row, which column? First row, first, third columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with left of the elements. 2 into 3, 6 minus 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25. Simplify this one. 3 into 10 minus 1 value is 1 minus 2 into 4 minus 15 the value is minus 11 plus 5 into 6 minus 25 the value is minus 19. Now simplify this one. 3 into 1 is 3, minus into minus plus, 11 into 22, minus 5 into 95, that value is 95. Now 3 plus 22, that value is 25 minus 95, that value is minus 70. This is delta value is what? Minus 70. Next we have to calculate delta 1 value and delta 2 value and delta 3 value. Next we have to calculate delta 1. So now delta 1 means determinant of delta obtained by first column replacing by constant elements are 32, 31, 27. Determinant of delta obtained by first column replacing by substitute constant elements are 32, 31, 27. Second column, third column does not change, right as these two, 5, 3. Next, 5, 3, 2. So now we have to calculate determinant of this condition. That's why we have to consider top plus minus plus. The first element is 32. 32 present in the first row, first columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the elements. 5 into 2, minus 3 into 3 9. Second symbol is minus, element is 2, minus 2 present in the first row, second columns are eliminated, cross multiply with the left of the elements. 31 into 2, that value is 62, minus 27 into 3, that value is 81. Next, third symbol is plus, element is plus 5, plus 5 present in the first row, third columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the 31 into 3, that value is 93, minus 27 into 5, that value is 135. 130, because of 5 7 the 35, 3 is left, 5 to the 10 plus 3 is 13. Simplify this one. 32 10 minus 9, that value is 1, minus 2 into 62 minus 81, that value is minus 19, plus 5 into 93 minus 135, that value is minus 42. Minus, simplify this one. 32 into 1 is 32, minus into minus plus 19 into 2, that value is 38, minus that value is 210 is equal to 70 minus 210, that value is minus 170. So delta 1 value is 1 minus 170. Next we have to prove that, or next we have to calculate delta 2 value. Delta 2 value. So now delta 2 is determinant of delta obtained by second column replacing by constant elements are 32, 31, 27 is determinant of second column replacing by constant elements are 32, 31, 27. First column and third column does not generate as this. First column is 3 to 5, third column is 5, 3, 2. This one also find that determinant value. Now we have to consider plus, minus, plus. First element is 3. 3 present in the first row, first columns are eliminated. Cross multiply left of the elements. 31 into 2, that value is 62. Minus 27 into 3, that value is 81. Next, minus 32. Second symbol is minus, element is 32. Now minus 32 present in the first row, second columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the elements. 2 into 2 4, minus 5 into 3, the value is 15, plus third symbol is 5, plus element is 5 in the present in the first row, third columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the elements. 2 into 27, that value is 74. Next 5 into 31, that value is 155. Simplify this one. 3 into minus 19 minus 32 into 4 minus 15, that value is minus 7, plus 5 into 74 minus 155. What is the value of 155 minus 74? That value is 81. 81 or 61 here, friends? 81 only. The dear friends, 2 into 27, 2 7 is 14. 2 to the 4 plus 1 is 5, that is 54. Not 74, that is 54. 54 minus 155, that value is minus 101. So now 3 into minus 19, that value is minus 57. Minus into minus plus 32 into 11, 11 to the 22. 11 3 is 33 plus 2, that is 35, means 352. Plus into minus minus 5 into 102, that value is minus 505 is equal to 352 minus 562. 352 minus 562, that value is minus 210. That is delta 2 value. Delta 1 value is minus 170. delta 2 value is minus 210. Next we have to calculate delta 3. So determinant of delta obtained by third column replacing by constant elements are 32, 31, 27. So first column, second column does not change by gas as it is. First column is 3 to 5. Second column is 2, 5, 3. So find the determinant value. Top we have to put the plus, minus, plus. First element is 3. 3 positive in the first row. First columns are eliminated. Cross product with the left of the elements. 5 into 27. 135 minus 3 into 31. The value is 93. Second symbol is negative. Element is 2. So minus 2 positive in the first row. Second columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the elements. 2 into 21, that value is 54, minus 5 into 31, that value is 155, plus 32, present in the first row, third columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of this. 2 into 3, 6, minus 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 5, 25. Now 3 into 135 is correct, dear friends. 5 7 is 35. That is correct. 135 minus 93. 5 minus 2. 13 minus 9. How much, dear friends? 4. So 42. That is 42. Minus 2 into 54 minus 155. That value is minus 101. Plus 32 into 6 minus 25, that value is minus 19. Now 3 into 42, what is the value? 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12. Minus into minus plus 101 into 2, that value is 202. Plus into minus minus, what is the value of 19 into 32? 2 into 19, that value is 38. 3 into 19, that value is 57. 8, 10, 608. That value is 608. So now 126 plus 202, that value is 328 minus 608. 608 minus 328. 8 minus 8, 0. 10 minus 2, that value is 8. 5 minus 2, that value is 2. So total we get 280 minus 280, that is delta 3. So we got delta value is minus 70, delta 1 value got minus 170, delta 2 value got minus 210, delta 3 value got minus 280. Now finally we have to prove that x value, y value, z value. What is the formula of x? Formula is delta 1 by delta. What is the delta 1 value we got? Minus 170. What is the delta value? Minus 70. So now minus minus get cancel. So this one correct, dear friends? Minus 170 is correct or wrong, dear friends? 210 70 0 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 is, that is minus 140 years, not 170. That is minus 140. So there is small mistakes we will rectify. That one is 1 minus 140. Minus minus get cancelled. 71 ja 72. So we got x value is 2. Next y. Y is equal to, formula is delta 2 by delta. Delta 2 value is minus 210 and delta value is minus 70. Minus minus get cancelled. 71 ja 73 ja. We got y value is 3. Next, what is the formula for z? Formula is delta 3 by delta. So now delta 3 value is minus 280 divided by minus 70. Minus again 71 ja 74 ja. So z value got. So delta 1 value is not minus 170. So small mistakes will be rectified. That one is 70 minus 210. That value is minus 140. Delta 1 value is minus 140. Delta 2 value is minus 210. Delta 3 value is minus 280. Finally, we have to prove put that x value, y value, z value. So we got x value is 2, x value is 2, and y value is 3, and z value is 4. This is solution for this here students. So easily first we have to put the delta value, next we have to calculate delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. Finally we have to substitute delta 1 value, delta 2, delta 3 in this formula. So x form is delta 1 by delta, substitute the values, we get x value is 2. Next y form is delta 2 by delta, substitute the values, we get y value is 3. Next z formula is delta 3 by delta, substitute the values, we get z value is 4. This is the solution in this question here friends. Last final question in this exercise. Last final question in this exercise. See the Roman number 4. See the Roman number 4. Same process, but different linear equation here students. Methods is same. See the Roman number 3. What is the given? Solve the following linear equation by using the Cramer rule. So what are the given three linear equations are? First linear equation is 3x plus y, 3x plus y plus 5z is equal to 10. 3x plus y plus 5z is equal to 10. Second linear equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Third linear equation is 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9. So this question also, by using the Cramer rule, we have to find the x, y, z value. So see the solution. Given linear equations are, first linear equation is 3x plus y plus 5z is equal to 10. Second linear equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Third linear equation is 2x minus y plus 3z is equal to 9. We have to find the first delta value. That's why determinant of coefficient of x, y, z variable in the given three linear equations means given three linear equations you should take a determinant of coefficient of x, y, z variable value. First linear equation x coefficient is 3, y coefficient is 1, z coefficient is 5. Second linear equation x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1, z coefficient is 1. Third linear equation x coefficient is 2, y coefficient we can take as minus 1, z coefficient we can take as 3. Now find this determinant value. So whenever determinant of 3 by 3 elements will be there, we have to consider the plus minus plus. First element is 3. 3 present in the first row, first columns are eliminated. Cross multiply the left of the elements. So 1 into 3 is the 3, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Next symbol is negative, element is 1. Minus 1 present in the first row, second column. Minus 1 present in the first row, second column, cross from the left of the elements. 1 into 3 is 3, minus 2 into 1 is 2. Next plus 5. Plus 5 present in the first row, third columns are eliminated. Cross multiply to the left of the elements. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. Simplify this one. 3 into 3 plus minus into minus plus 1. 3 minus 2, that value is 1. Plus 5 into minus 1 minus 2, that value is minus 3. So now 3 into 3 plus 1 value is 4. Minus 1 into 1, 1. Plus into minus 5 3 is 15. 3 4 the 12 minus 1 minus 15. Now 12 minus 1 minus 15, the value is minus 16. 12 minus 16, the value is minus 4. We got delta value is minus 4. We got delta value is minus 4. What is the value of delta here? Minus 4. Next we have to put that delta 1, delta 2, delta 3. First we have to calculate delta 1. So determinant of delta obtained by first column replacing by substitute constant elements are 10, 0, 9 is determinant of delta obtained by first column replacing by constant elements are 10, 0, 9. Second column, third column does not change, right as this 1, 1, minus 1. Third column is 5, 1, 3. Find this determinant. Top equals to plus, minus plus, plus 10. First element is plus 10. 10 present in the first row. First columns are eliminated. Cross multiply left of the elements. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus or minus? Plus 1. I am writing directly here. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus or minus? Plus 1. Next symbol is minus, element is 1. Minus 1 in present in the first row. Second columns are eliminated. Cross multiply left of the element. 0 into 3, 0. Minus 1 into 9, 9. Next symbol is plus, element is 5. Plus 5 present in the first column and third columns are eliminated. Cross multiply left of the element. 0 into minus 1, the value is 0. Minus 9 into 1 is 9. Simplify this one. 3 plus 1, that value is 4. 0 into minus 9, that value is minus 9. Plus 5 into 0 minus 9, that value is minus 9. 10 into 4, 40. Minus into minus, plus 1 into 9, 9. Plus into minus, minus. 5 into 9, that value is 45. So we get 49 minus 45, that value is 4. So delta 1 value you got 4 only. Delta 1 value you got 4. Next we have to calculate delta 2. Determinant of delta obtained by second column replacing by constant elements are 10, 0, 9. Means second column replacing with the constant elements are 10, 0, 9. Second column does not change, as right as it is 3, 1, 2. First column and third column does not change, right as this. First column is 3, 1, 2. Third column is 5, 1, 3. So find this determinant value. Now we have to take plus minus plus. Plus 3 present in the first row. First columns are eliminated. Cross multiply left of the elements. 0 into 3 value is 0. Minus 9 into 1 value is 9. Minus 10. Observe here friends, minus 10. Minus 10 present in the first row. Second columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the elements. 1 into 3, 3. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. Plus 5. Plus 5 present in the first row and third columns are eliminated. Cross multiply left of the elements. 1 into 9, 9. 2 into 0, 0. Simplify this one. 3 into 0 minus 9, that value is minus 10. Minus 10 into 3 minus 2, that value is 1. Plus 5 into 9 minus 0, that value is 9. 3 into minus 9, that value is minus 27. Minus 10 plus 45. Is equal to minus 37 plus 45. That value is 8. So delta 2 value, how much we get? 8. So delta 2 value is 8. Or right, delta 1 value is 4. So delta 2 value is 8. So next we have to calculate delta 3. Determinant of delta obtained by third column replacing by constant elements are 10, 0, 9. First column and second column does not change, right as this. First column is 3, 1, 2. Second column is 1, 1, minus 1. Find this one. Find this determinant value plus, minus, plus. First element is plus 3. Plus 3 present in the first row. First columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the elements. 1 into 9, 9. Minus 1 into 0 is 0 only. Next is minus 1. Minus 1 present in the first row. Second columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the elements. 1 into 9, 9. Minus 2 into 0 is 0 only. Next element is plus 10. Plus 10 present in the first row. Third columns are eliminated. Cross multiply with the left of the elements. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into 1 value is 2. Simplify this one. 9 minus 0 is 9. Minus 1, 9 minus 0 is 9 only. Plus 10, 1 minus 1 minus 2, the value is minus 3. 3 9 is 27. Minus 9, minus 13. So 27 27 minus 39. We got, what is the value? 27 minus 9. That value is minus 8. So we got delta 3 value is minus 8. So now find the x, y, z values. See the x formula is delta 1 by delta. So now delta 1 value we got 4, delta value we got minus 4. So now minus 4 on the, so x value is minus 1. Next y formula is delta 2 by delta. So delta 2 value is 8. So delta value is minus 4 is equal to minus 4 on the 4 2. So y value is minus 2. Next z formula is delta 3 by delta. Delta 3 value is minus 8. Delta value is minus 4. Minus 1 will cancel 4 on the 4 2. We got 2. So finally we got x value is minus 1, y value is minus 2, z value is 2. This is solution for this question, dear students. So this is a process by using a grammar how to find the x, y, z value. This is a solution for this question, dear students. I think everyone understanding those what I have explained for the process and before classes process also you are understanding, I hope. So tomorrow we are discussing about a new topic. Okay, not new chapter, new topic. So there how to find the adjournment of a values and how to find the minor of elements and the cofactor of elements. Tomorrow class we are discussing about that new topic. Thank you all dear students.